So what do you feel about space and pirates? First thing, digital, high-tech.
We are Team Space Pirates. We are creating an AR multiplayer mobile board game where players are able to play around in the space with their own ships, interact with elements in the AR space, and perform actions such as looting, shooting, moving, and trading. We're using Apple devices, the iPad and the iPhone, mainly because we want to use the AR kit functionality.
The goal of the game is to be the richest pirate. You take the role of a pirate captain in charge of 3 different ships. With these ships, you can maneuver them around, you can shoot at other ships, you can harvest from asteroids, and you can sell what you've harvested at space stations and planets for treasure.
We gave people a movement cone on screen that would restrict where they're able to move their ships, as well as a yellow ghost ship that would mark out where the destination is going to be. And then you can control this by moving your phone physically through space and adjusting sliders to set your rotation for each ship.
So the idea is you point it to your ship and you collect projectiles, then a ghost ship gonna be projected. Then you can move your phone and your ghost ship will follow your phone through space. Then you can just like dragging a toy through space and place it wherever you want. Of course, in the movement cone. The purpose for the move cone is to let the guests know where they can move to, and a ghost ship to make them to let them to have the idea about where they can go.
So you defend yourself by taking the defend action, and that powers up your shields. So to fight, you use the attack action, and that will allow you to fire projectiles at other ships.
When you press the attack button, you basically go into a combat screen mode where you see a starry sky behind you and the attack camera is turned off. Here you get a chance to shoot other ships twice.
We were trying to keep a semi-realistic tone with some of the spaceships, using things like rocket thrusters and laser beams rather than super exotic technologies. We want everything to be recognizable in its function.
What AR really gets us is the ability to do 3D maps and 3D tactical thinking. So this is something that's been very difficult to do in board games because you need to have some maybe little sticks or something to replicate height. It's hard to visualize. And it's also difficult to do on just a computer screen because you only have one angle to view. Whereas with AR, you can get around and actually view things from multiple angles and build a mental model of what the 3D environment looks like using only a 2D interface that you move.
So that's how you...
We pitched this project because we wanted to see what a board game designed from the ground up in AR would look like.